Employee profiles allow you to speed up your onboarding process by automatically filling out payroll settings for new employees. The employee profile can either be selected as part of inviting a new employee to onboard digitally with employee onboarding, or applied to a manually created new employee record. In this video, we'll look at employee profiles, how to create a standard pay template, and how to create and use employee profiles. Let's start by looking at what employee profiles are. Employee profiles are used to fill out payroll settings for new employees automatically. The profiles are set up in MYOB Acumatica Payroll and visible in MYOB Acumatica Workforce Management. When inviting your employees to join the business through onboarding, you can select an employee profile to apply to them. You can create as many employee profiles as your business requires. A standard pay template is required before creating a new employee profile. Let's create one now. Standard pay templates automatically fill out the standard pay for new employees onboarding and are linked to the selected employee's profile. This link to the employee profile is through the pay group selected. One template may work for multiple pay groups and profiles, or you can create one for an individual employee or role. You can add as many pay items as needed to the standard pay templates, making it easier to pay your employees once they are onboarded. In the form table, some columns, such as quantity and custom rate, are editable. Other columns, such as the unit type and frequency, are pulled through from the pay item setup. Let's open the employee profile form. On this form, you can view, edit, or add any employee profiles. Let's create a new employee profile. Click Add New. The employee profile ID is automatically generated based on your numbering sequence settings. Enter a meaningful description here. This will make selecting the correct employee profile easier when inviting your employee to onboard. The default profile is used when no profile has been selected. With Active ticked, you can select this employee profile when inviting an employee. With the summary area complete, there are 3 tabs to complete, starting with the General tab. Select the employee class, branch, and department to which the employee will report. Then select the calendar of the country you want the employee to follow. The numbering sequence is set as employee due to this being part of the payroll. Next, select the Pay Groups tab. Add the pay group your employee will be part of. This will tell MYOB Acumatica Payroll when and what group the employee will be paid with. You can select which group to use as a default if you have more than one pay group. Next, select the Employment tab. The Employment tab is broken down into 2 areas: Pay Run Settings and Pay Slip. The Pay Run settings populate new employees' pay details when they are onboarded. These settings differ between Australia and New Zealand. Lastly, the payslip options set how you want to send the payslips to the employees. With the employee profile set up, this can be selected during the onboarding process. Let's view the report to see what profile has been assigned to the employee. The employee onboarding detail form shows which employee profiles were applied to your onboarding employees. If you realize that an employee's profile isn't the best fit for them, you can change their profile. This is done in the Pay Details form for the particular employee. Start by opening the employee's form, selecting the employee ID, and then clicking Pay Details. With the Pay Details form open for the employee you need to update, click on the ellipses. Select Apply Employee Profile. Update the employee profile field to the employee profile required. This updates all the employees' payroll settings except for the information that's unique to them, for example, pay rates or super. Now that we understand what an employee profile is and how to use the employee profiles, onboarding an employee has become even easier.